So when your case is selected, you'll have that 90-day timeline to file. And you have to file within that timeline to assure that USCIS is going to process your case. When you file, you can file in either regular or premium processing. Regular processing, it's going to run the normal course based on what the timelines are at the service center, versus premium processing, you're going to get 15 business days, I believe, to receive a decision on your case. Now, a decision doesn't mean an approval. It means either an RFE will be issued, the case will be approved, or allegedly the case will be denied, but it's very unlikely that a case will be denied without a request for evidence. So those are kind of, those are your options. Premium processing is going to be an extra $28.05 on top of the filing. So it's something for the employer to consider. Obviously, the benefit of premium is that you get a decision quicker. So once that is done and your case is filed, and USCIS adjudicates and approves your case, then what happens next kind of depends on how your H-1B was filed. You can file your H-1B for a change of status, meaning on the selected date, typically October 1st, but can be after now. On the selected date, you can change status from your current status, let's say F1 for a lot of people, to H-1B. And at that time, you are bound by the conditions of your H-1B, meaning that you have to, work in the area that the LCA says, perform the job duties in line with the petition, work specifically for the employer that sponsored your H-1. The other type of filing is consular notification. What that means is that your H-1B is approved, but rather than change status, in order to activate your H-1B, you'll have to go abroad and obtain a visa at the consulate and get a visa stamp. Some people choose that option because they still have plenty of work authorization left in their current status, and they want to wait on starting their H-1B. Other times, people could have issues where they're worried about their change of status being questioned by USCIS. Maybe there's an issue where they have a potential violation of status of their current status, and they don't want to risk a request for evidence. In that circumstance, you might file consular process as well. Obviously, each case is specific, but that's pretty much the entirety of the process. Once you move on, you either get your visa stamp and come in, or you change status to H-1B. You begin your H-1B time. You begin accruing it and working subject to the H-1.